Good morning, everybody. So we just got back from our bike ride. Good morning, guys. So I'm in the elevator right now. Sorry for the bad quality. I'm vlogging on my phone, but I'm in the elevator and we are heading down to go on a bike ride. But my GoPro, there was like this whole thing last night with the charger, so it didn't charge. I don't think so. And I just made some oatmeal, like the same oatmeal I made yesterday with like the gluten-free oats and almond milk and stuff. And yeah, it's like 11 o'clock now, so I think I'm just gonna chill till like 11:30 or so. Yeah, it's exactly 11 o'clock. So I'm always gonna chill till like 11:30, and then we're going to the beach. But I'm really tired right now because we rode 15 miles we rode like up to Duck, North Carolina, and then back here. So yesterday at Wings, I got this Outer Banks hat. It's like this kind of jean material type thing, which I really like. And then my sister and I both got swim shirts because we were boogie boarding yesterday and we got like rashes on our stomach.
Oh, I think it like whistles when it gets water.
We also got that. Yeah. So yeah, all ready for the beach. What is that? Why are my straps like hanging down? I've been reading this book and it's so good. I think they sell it like everywhere, but I got it at Target. Yeah, now there's a bee on me.
Wait, so we're in the water now? It's clear.
Hi, I look like a drowned rat. Tried to like stand up on my board.
It was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
I wish I got on video. I'll have to recreate it. But I went on my board. And then I tried to go on my knees, and then I was like at the top of the wave, and I put my hands up. I was like, yes!
She was
and then I just like
on her boogie board, on her knees, at the top of the wave, like this, and it was, and she just like flew back, and it was the funniest thing.
I made this amazing drawing here with my name. Wow. So it's 2 right now, and I think we're going down for lunch around like 3. So we have like 1 more hour. Sarah's cleaning the house. So it's like 2:30, maybe a little after. We're on our way up to the room to eat lunch. And then I think we're gonna come back and probably gonna have what I had yesterday again.
Slamming it on my face.
Look how curly my hair is.
Never cared about it.
So this is my lunch. So I made some of these like brown rice cakes with the Justin's almond butter, bananas, and then a little bit of granola. We just made it back down to the beach. Sarah stayed up in the room because she was tired. I might go back up in like an hour or so. I think I want to go back in the water and like read a little bit, just kind of chill down here, and then go back up and shower and like chill in the room because I'm just like really tired and it's really hot. Also, my face is like so burnt, and I really don't know how that happened because I wear a hat and I have sunscreen all over my face. So we are heading out to go to dinner. My face looks like so red in the camera. It's actually not that red. But yeah, this is my outfit. This is from American Eagle. It's just like this romper. And I'm wearing my suede Puma shoes.
Costco shorts, my Costco shirt, and my Fouquier.
Somebody has earrings sitting here.
And Lauren's taping me. I'm doing my vlog.
Sarah's getting a cookie. When I was younger, I thought this thing was like the coolest thing ever. It's like filled with shells and stuff. That looks good.
Oh my god, it's so good.
I hate you. Okay, we're here. This is like the town center. Like our house is right over there. This is the town center that we come to. Like we're actually here. Oh my god. Alright, it's 7:30 and we're walking in. It's really nice out right now. Outdoor seating is like on the roof.
Yeah. We were here like mozzarella and tomato stuffed portobello.
We got this like trio dip thing. She has it really good. She has it good. We usually do it with I got this like kale salad thing with this salsa, and then it has this mahi mahi on it. So Sarah just got ice cream, but they didn't have dairy free, so we're going to a different place so I can have ice cream because I want ice cream. But dinner was really, really good.
Because I like kissing like the dinner.
Sarah, tell us about your ice cream. Tell us about it.
I got some cake batter yogurt with Oreos.
I was like pretending to be paparazzi to Sarah, and I was like, Sarah, you don't have to talk fast. Like, I'm the one who's the paparazzi. And she's like, but James Charles talks fast.
I literally bring up James Charles in every single sentence possible. Like, hashtag I'm a real sister.
Look at the sky. Whoa. Look at it. It's even prettier in person.
Don't do too much, my ice cream's gonna melt. Yeah.
No, we're trying to just find it.
So I'm pure via bracelet. It was like a homie.
So I got this strawberry sorbet. I just got a small, and then I got sprinkles.
I know what we need at Harris Teeter. Water.
No, we're good.
No, we have like 2 bottles left. We are not good.
So my parents told me this story. When I was like 2 or 3, I was at a playground.
Like maybe she fell. I don't remember.
Okay.
Something happened.
I like fell or something, and I was like,
Or dropped. No, you may have dropped like a snack or something.
and my mom was like with all her friends, and I had all my little play dates, and then I was like, oh
And she's yelled at when she was like 5.
And then when I was, no, I was younger than that.
I think like 2.5.
Yeah, 2.5. And then when I was like
Maybe
2 or
3.
3,
Maybe 3.
I was watching a basketball game.
Hi, my name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow.
Like when we were out to dinner, there's a basketball game on. Wait, what did I say? Like go, go, go?
You're like, get him, get him.
Oh, get him.
Shit.
We're watching Set It Up.
Oh wait,
That
don't you
like
want to put
new
on here,
Netflix
guys?
movie.
Should we turn the light off?